Hi, Chris McClune here with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Welcome to this edition of our Unbox series. As you can see, I've got a pumper here today from Weldon Fire Company, and we're at the Abington Township Public Safety Training Center. You know what it means if we've got a pumper here, we're going to be flowing some water. So the product we're going to look at today is called the Turbo Pierce. It's by K3 Research, so let's get this thing unboxed, put it all together, and see how it works. Well, now that we have it unboxed, you can see what we're going to take a look at today. This is the Turbo Pierce. The Turbo Pierce is a piercing tool for ultra-high pressure firefighting applications. There are two components to this part of the system. One is the abrasive cartridge. The abrasive cartridges carry an abrasive material no different than any industrial water jet cutter. They are easy to place onto the unit, and they are refillable in the field. Now, to achieve the pressures necessary for this, you would use the pressure amplifier. The pressure amplifier has a 2.5-inch inlet, or you can also go with an 1.75-inch inlet on one side. The pumper will provide 140 psi at the intake. At the discharge is 2,000 psi and 10 gallons a minute through this high pressure line. To achieve the pressures necessary for the Turbo Pierce to work at its optimum level, you need to either use a pressure amplifier, or it can be used with an existing skid unit if your department owns one. If you do decide to go with the pressure amplifier, it is easy to fit into an existing fire apparatus compartment. Placing the Turbo Pierce in service with the pressure amplifier is a quick process. 2.5-inch line into the pressure amplifier, 140 psi. One end of the high pressure line goes to the Turbo Pierce, the other end of the high pressure line goes back to the pressure amplifier. Before we demonstrate using the Turbo Pierce, I'm going to talk real quick just about some of the applications that it's suitable for. What we're talking about here is trying to access fires that may be difficult to access. We know that there are a variety of situations in dwelling fires where we can locate where the fire is, but we might have trouble accessing it. Using the Turbo Pierce, you're using ultra-high pressure to provide rapid cooling for the area with those minuscule sized droplets. But there are also other applications. For example, I'm holding a cutout from a hood of a vehicle. There's a double-walled hood. It can go, it will pierce both layers to rapidly cool the engine. If you are on a roof, it will go through multiple layers of shingles and plywood sheathing to rapidly cool an area in an attic. So a number of applications, very, very suitable for this tool. Well, as you can see, it's pretty fun using this tool, the Turbo Pierce. Wanted to mention a couple things about it. First of all, the pressure amplifier. Wanted to make sure you know it's hydromechanical. There is no electricity to that. There's nothing, no sensors or anything inside. It's all hydromechanical. It takes that 140 psi from the truck and hydromechanically generates the 2,000 psi for the 10 GPM. Wanted to also just touch on real quick, everything we did today, we only used one cartridge. Depending on the scene that you're at, you may have to put more holes in the ceiling or in the roof than one, but a lot of times one's going to do it, and you won't use nearly as much of the abrasive as we did today. Also, the drywall that we punctured at the end, that was done mostly with water from pretty far away, so you can see the power that this is doing. We cut through today asphalt shingles, metal sheathing, wood sheathing, so you can see the breadth of what this product is able to do. I want to thank the Abington Township Public Safety Training Center and Weldon Fire Company for letting us use their equipment and the facility today. If you want to have any questions about this at all, the website to go to is www.turbopierce.com. Again, this has been Chris McClune with Fire Apparatus and Emergency Equipment. Stay safe and have a good one.